baril! Kunin mo yung baril! Ah! Tal yung baril! Bigay mo! Ah! Mga chikoy, welcome pa sa panibagong video at ngayon ay maglalaro ulit tayo ng isang panibagong game na tinatawag na Godly Corp or Godly Corporation. So, in-email ako ng developer nito at pinalaro nila sa akin. So, natry ko siyang laruin ngayon. We will see kung ano mangyayari. So, let's check kung ano nga ba tong game na to. Kasi to be honest, hindi ko alam kung ano tong game na to. Ngayon ko lang siya ma-check, kaya hindi ko rin alam kung ano mangyayari. So, let's get started. Mag-new game tayo. But, we will see kung saan to.
Before we could start, please fill this short survey.
May mga short survey pa. Okay, how do you feel today? Sadness that last month of the day, easy. Your face, the fears that hold you back. I'm God. I think I'm gonna go normal.
Interesting. Feeling courageous today. Oh, it's okay. I won't judge you.
Ang sarcastic naman itong computer na to.
Interesting.
What the frick?
Welcome to our company employee number 6,835,468. Please listen to this introduction before starting. First, look at the clock in front of you.
Okay.
It shows how much time is left before the end of your shift.
Okay.
On the right, you can see the board that will display instructions for your task. And in the center is a button that you can press when you are ready to start your shift. Now please read the instructions and when ready move cover from the button and press it to start. Good luck!
Oh, okay. So, anong gagawin dito? WASD para sa scroll. Oh my god, look at this physics, man.
Press the start button in the middle of the wall when ready.
Okay, oh my god.
Tick-tock goes the clock.
Okay, sure. South Africa, Asia,
Alright,
Antarctica.
now just rotate cities to the lamp on the left to heat them.
Okay, Antarctica, kulay green. Oh! Tayo mismo na kumakontrol ng mundo, you mean? Tama, para tayo na kumakontrol ng global warming. What the frick? Ano na sa gilid? Hoy! Shoo! Doon kayo! Yung mga bugs! Okay, dun, shoo! Oh my god! No! Shoo! Oh! You South America! Teka! You South America! Naiinita yung South America. Oh my god! Dun! Shoo! Hoy! Doon ka! Shoo! Shoo! Parang sila ba yung virus or anything? Parang sila ata yung virus Okay, tapos...
By the way, let me congratulate you on getting internship in this prestigious company.
Doon, Shoo. Ano naman to? Ano to?
Well, only about 2.137% of all interns survive to the end of the internship. But I am sure you will do just fine.
What do you mean, bruh?
Here is a little welcome gift.
Caution, do not play... Jesus Christ, dun nga kayo. Like, alam mo gagawin natin? Oh my god, yung Antarctica susunog na na. Para ito yung mga virus na... Doon, shoo, doon kayo. I don't understand kung ano meron sa game na to, pero sige. What the frick?
Today's task might be a bit more complicated. Please read the information on the board.
Use the laser when to turn on. What the frick? Use the laser to burn out Oh, so tayo sumakontrol ng mundo, ganun ba? Tas hanapin natin dito. Like, ano yung point? Bakit kailangan
Tick-tock goes the clock.
Hindi yung baso, tol! Kunin mo yung laser! Ew, what the frick? Mas paano ba lalagyan ng baterya to? Like, what the... What?
What they do eggs hate most. Pick up and shake the red ball shaker 3000 to charge the laser.
Oh. Oh my god! Yung laser nahulog! Taga! Pwede ba kunin na lang tong ano? Yun! Thank you! Thank you! Ah! Oh! Ano mo? Saan na yung gagi na yun? Yun. Susunugin kita, hype ka. Yan, burn! Fried eggs! Yan, ano, akala mo, naidiri ako guys, to be honest, pero sige na. Ano,
It really is surprising that you managed to get an internship in this company.
Woo!
But I
No!
suppose the
Oh,
fact
God
that
dang it.
your father is the CEO explains a lot.
Shut the hell up. Okay, yun. Yan. What the buksan mo tol. Putek. Yan. Okay, we will do our job properly. Pwede ba spray? Oh, ito, baka pwede ito. Tol, gusto mo? Oh my god. Pwede pa ito.
Warning. Security breach alert. All employees on floors 50 to 70, please follow the emergency protocol 66.
First, shut down this alarm. Alright, don't panic. Just pick up the emergency device and from there you should know what to do.
What? What the frick is this, man? What the? What? Ah! Oh.
Incorporate about the trees. You
Nani? Nani? Ala! Oh my god, kailangan pa natin. Oh, shemaya. Ah! 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 Nani? Nani?
From San Teco. They like to drop by
Nani? Lola mo, Nani? Oh god dang it. Oh god dang it. Kulimay mo. Kulimay baril. Kulimay baril. Kulimay baril. Ah! Tal yung baril. Bigay mo. Ah! Ah! Kulimay baril. Basta mo. Akin yung baril. Akin yung baril. Akin yung baril. Akin yung baril. Oh my god, nangyayari! Oh my god, oh my god, Jesus Christ. Grabe. Anong ginagawa ko dito? Trabaho ko rito talaga. What the frick? Jesus Christ, man. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari, kung anong balak nila ipagawa sa akin, pero sige na, hayop. Now what?
Today's task, you might want to practice before pushing the button.
Don't let the crystal overheat, squeeze the pump. Oh, don't let the crystal overheat, squeeze the pump by wrapping your limb around it. Ito, ang komplikado, promise.
Warning, crystal almost completely charged.
Oh my god, Jesus Christ, man. Baka magkaroon na kayo ng rage quit dito. Ah! Tol. Oh my god, what the frick is going on?
Fun fact, these crystals are trying to power up spaceship that civilization.
Oh my god. Oh my jeez. Oh my, okay, sige. Medyo alam ko na. Tol, tamaan mo yung ano, sige na. Yan. Yan. Tapos, yung blue, which is andrito sa baba. Oh my god, umangat kang blue ka. There we go. Ang hirap i-axis, grabe. Oh my god, ang komplikado. Jesus. Para tayo nag-aano rito. Ang stressful naman ang job na to. Wala na, nag-YouTube na lang ako. Pero mas stressful din minsan itong YouTube eh. Tulak mo, wag mo sabihin magkakaroon pa tayo ng robot ano dito ha. Kasi, di ko kaya pagsabay-sabayin yun.
Fun fact, these crystals are trying to power up spaceship that civilization on this planet created. They became too advanced and, well, they are trying to get rid of you.
What the heck? Ano daw? Ako? Get rid of me? Ako na nga nag-ano dito, di ba? Ako na nga mismo yung dito naggagawa ng paraan para ano yung ano nyo, tapos ako i-read nyo. Okay, so squeeze. There we go. Then kulay blue. Oh my god, no.
By the way, you know that every time you fail, we have to rewind time. It isn't cheap, kiddo.
What do you mean? Oh my god, Jesus! Hi?
For today's task, you might want to practice before pushing the button.
Shut your freaking mouth. Tol, just rotate the thing! Please! Ano ba? I-rotate mo na nga lang. Anong problema mo? Tol, grabe naman kasi. Bakit pa kasi ganito eh? Totoo. Why do I need to do this anyway? Huh? Why do I need to do this? Tol, ayusin mo yung limbs mo. Balik mo. Oh my Jesus. Tol, pwede mo bang ialisin yung limbs mo dyan sa putik na yan? Yung totoo. Oh my God! Tol! Please! Please, remove your limb on the freaking thing! Oh my God. Just do that and remove your limbs. Jeez! Jesus! Ayoko na! Nakakasakit ng ulo! Ang sakit sa ulo! My God! Now what?
This time it will be an easy and relaxing task. No surprises, really.
Use drone to bring that this for crystal. Oh my God! Dude, are you serious? Sa tingin mo relaxing to? Do you think magiging relaxing to? Oh my Jesus Christ! This is not really. This is not relaxing. What the frick is this, man? Hala! Tol, mag-move ka doon! Mag-move ka doon! Hindi dito! Yung limbs mo! Ano ba? Oh my God! Inire-rage quit ako nito. Hindi ka pupunta dyan! Pumunta ka doon! Harapan! Yan! Tol, magpas ka na. Oh my God! This is not freaking relaxing. Anong sinabi ng robot na relaxing kung hinayupak na to? Sige na. Alis ka na. Punta ka na doon. Tol. Yan. Punta ka doon. Yan. Pumunta ka doon. Tol, like, ayusin mo yung limbs mo. Yan. Tapos tulak mo.
Half time remaining.
God dang it. Okay. Isa na lang.
I enjoy quiet days like these. By the way, more than half of interns already dropped off. It is quite surprising that you still managed to hold on.
Fuck
Your
yeah!
costs of rewinding the timers are terribly high, but I would say that your work ethics could use some improvements.
Sampaling kita, kayo na lang kaya gumawa dito.
Remember to wash these limbs of yours after using restroom. We don't want to have another infestation outbreak on planets, do we?
So kumbaga parang kami yung nagko-control ng planeta. Grabe mga alien ngayon. Dude! Tol, hindi dun! Tol, lalo ba? Yung limbs mo, ayusin mo! Jeez! My God. Hindi. Pumunta ka dun. Please, yan. Yan. Oh my God. Oh my God. Tol, ang pasensya to. Nakakasira ng pasensya. Oh my God. Ayun na. Ayoko na lang rin tong game na to ulit. I don't want to anymore. Oh my God. Jeez. Okay guys, so yun muna ang video sa akin to. Sana naman ay na-enjoy nyo to. At kung na-enjoy nyo, please mag-iwan lang kayo ng like dyan. Appreciate ko naman yung subscribe na lang kayo para mag-isa CHIKOY. Tignan natin kung hanggang ilang likes ang makararating at saka ilang views ang marating itong video na to. Kapag maraming views and likes tong video na to, is itutuloy natin tong game na to. But kapag hindi siya itutuloy, okay? So, alright tayo dyan. Leave a like guys ha. At saka mag-comment na rin kayo. Palisin mo, bufa. Muy bien, share na rin, okay?